Here's a simple guide to fix the Google couldn't verify this account error and recover your account. This message appears when Google can't confirm that you're the real owner of the account. It usually happens when you enter incorrect recovery information, use a new device, or haven't added enough security details like a recovery phone or email. Open any browser and go to g.co/recover. Enter your email and follow the steps. When Google asks a question you don't know, tap "Try another way." Repeat this until Google gives you a recovery option you can complete. If the error keeps appearing, try again from a device or location you've used before, like your old phone, your home Wi-Fi, or your previous laptop. Google trusts familiar locations, making verification much easier. If you're still logged into the same Google account on another device, open myaccount.google.com/security. Scroll to Ways we can verify it's you, and update your recovery email or phone number. Once updated, retry the recovery process. This time, Google will have more verification data to use. If nothing works, your last option is contacting Google support through the help community. Go to support.google.com, choose Account Recovery, and post your issue. Google product experts may guide you and offer additional recovery steps based on your account history. And that's how to fix the Google couldn't verify this account error and recover access.